see that one? Which one's that one go?
This one.
Good job. Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities with our toddlers at home. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we are doing an activity on the letter J. So a few supplies that we're going to be needing for this activity will be mason jars, 2 of them, a pair of scissors, plain white piece of paper, 1 dry erase marker, and then 1 either permanent marker or just plain marker from there. The first step we're going to do is with our mason jars, you're going to put the letter of the alphabet that you are working with. In this case today we are working with the letter J, and you're going to put it right on the side of it. And this is where I'm using the dry erase marker, so you can erase and use as many letters as you want possible. So one's going to be lowercase of the letter, and then the other one's going to be the uppercase of the letter.
If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out my channel for more fun toddler activities.
Alright, so there's my uppercase, lowercase. So we'll set those aside. So then what we're going to do with our piece of paper, you can do as many as you like, but you're going to make multiple uppercase letter and multiple of the lowercase letter. So go ahead and do it kind of in stripes. So we'll do capital J, and then we'll do lowercase j. So I'm just going to repeat uppercase and lowercase. We can also do it in different colors, so different colored papers might be fun, a little bit more on the difficulty side, and that way they can still not only differentiate the uppercase and the lowercase j, but then figure out which color it is as well. So I have both my letters, my uppercase and my lowercase, down here. And all I'm going to simply do is just mix them up. So then when my toddler comes out, we'll show him the 2 jars and tell him he needs to match the uppercase with the uppercase and then the lowercase with the lowercase. And what's great about this is he can do it as many times as he wants. And we can also do it with a bunch of other letters of the alphabet where we need to see fit. You ready to know what our activity is?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What do we work on?
What are we going to work on? Well, we're going to work on the letter J, just like you said. And you see these 2 jars? What letter is that? Is that capital J or lowercase j?
Capital J.
Capital J. And then is this lowercase j or capital J?
Lowercase j.
Lowercase j. So, what we need to do, you see all these little guys? We got to match them. So this one matches this one, right? So then it goes in this one. And then what's that one? Uppercase or lowercase?
Uppercase.
Uppercase J. So which jar does that one go in? Good job. So I'm going to mix all these. You keep going. I don't know, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, what's the next one? Is that uppercase J or lowercase?
Uppercase.
Uppercase. And so which jar? Perfect.
This is red. And it's 2 reds.
2 reds. And what's that one?
Uppercase.
Uppercase.
Another uppercase.
Yeah. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to check. So we take the uppercase and spill them. Can you help me? Spill them all out. Put them all on the table. And then we can check our work. So we can see if there's all of these uppercase. I think so. Good job. And then, so that one's good. So let's bring those to the side. You want to check the lowercase j?
Yeah.
Okay, help me dump.
I want to double all myself.
Okay. Good job.
Put it back down.
Perfect. And then,
Uh-oh.
there's 1 uppercase J. Where's that go? And then we can check and make sure that we have all lowercase j. And you did so good. High five. Woohoo! So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. As always, we love to do activities at home with our toddler, get them ready for either preschool or kindergarten and so forth. And as always, have a great day.